going to tell about five fingers. One day, five fingers started their debate within themselves to prove who is important. Let's see what happened next. Thumb finger. You all are not able to do anything without me. So you all need my help. So I am the first. Index finger says, I tell the direction and I direct a point. So I am the first. Middle finger says, I am the biggest of all and I am like a Mount Everest and I am the king of the hand and you all are servants. Finger says, people crowning me with rings made up of diamond, silver and gold. So I am the first. Little finger says, Lord Krishna arisen Mount Govardhan on me. So I am the first. Then all the fingers understood each other's value, how all are important in their own ways. Moral of the story. United we stand, divided we fall. Thank you.